Upbeat music plays. The camera zooms in on the table with the Segotep 750W power supply on the left and the CORSAIR RM850 on the right. Hey, what's up, Buy Smart fam? Welcome back to the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions so you can spend your money on the things that really matter, like that new gaming chair that looks suspiciously like a throne. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. High voltage. First up, let's talk about the price. The Segotep comes in at a wallet-friendly $99, which reviewers appreciate as a great value for money, especially for handling high-end hardware. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM850 is priced at $139, with users highlighting its quality and reliability as justifying the extra cost. While Segotep is recognized for being budget-friendly, CORSAIR is often seen as a worthwhile investment for those willing to spend a little more. Next, let's talk about modularity, because nobody wants a messy cable jungle in their case. Both the Segotep and CORSAIR RM850 are fully modular, which has been praised by users for making installation easier and keeping systems tidy. Reviewers of both products highlight the ease of installation and organization, making this category a tie. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Efficiency. The Segotep boasts an ALE+ Gold certification with a sizzling 91.8% efficiency, and users rave about its performance and efficiency during power outages. Meanwhile, the CORSAIR RM850 is also well regarded but lacks a specific efficiency rating in reviews. However, it's noted for its industrial-grade components, which users trust for longevity. Both power supplies have their strengths in efficiency, but Segotep shines brighter according to user feedback. Now let's talk about fan noise. The CORSAIR RM850 features a 140mm rifle-bearing fan designed to keep things quiet, and users love the 0 RPM fan mode for silent operation during light use. In contrast, the Segotep doesn't specify its fan noise, leading to some uncertainty among users regarding its quietness during operation. Reviewers emphasize the importance of a silent setup, making CORSAIR the clear favorite here. Lastly, let's talk about graphics card support. The Segotep comes with two PCIe 4.0 ports and a 1.2 VHP-WR cable, which users appreciate for compatibility with new NVIDIA cards. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM850 has triple EPS 1.2V connectors, making it highly regarded for full compatibility as well. Both options receive positive feedback from users for being capable of supporting high-performance graphics cards, making this category a tie too. Overall, the Segotep 750W power supply is praised for its affordability, efficiency, and solid performance, while the CORSAIR RM850 is highlighted for its quality, quiet operation, and reliability. Users generally appreciate both products, but with different priorities in mind. So which power supply reigns supreme? Is it the budget-friendly Segotep 750W, or the slightly pricier but potentially quieter CORSAIR RM850? Ultimately, it depends on your needs. If you want to save some cash and don't mind a bit of noise, go with Segotep. But if you prefer a silent operation and can splurge a bit, CORSAIR might be your best buddy. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our epic showdowns. And remember, whether it's power supplies or pineapple pizza, always choose wisely. Until next time, keep buying smart. Shopping cart light bulb.